Good day everybody. What happens when you run out of coffee, you have an empty coffee can and you want to revisit something that you done about a year ago? Let's find out. Right, so this was the coffee tin that I ran out of yesterday. It's just a standard Cafe Azera. You just get them in any sort of supermarket. I've got my little pan with us and then I've got a Gerber. Now if you haven't seen the video already, check out the Hobo Stew and the Hobo Stove video. And then, so what I thought was, let's make something that is going to be reusable. So I've got some olive oil just in that little vial there, and then I've got some Bannock bread mixture, and that, all this is self-raising flour. I've put some chia seeds in there. You can put what you want in there essentially, but how we're going to do this one then is, I've already marked out some areas. Right, so I'm actually using this part rather than using my knife because I want to save that blade just in case I need it in a bit. Okay, you can wear gloves if you if need be. So this is going to be the opening for the stove. Now I'm going to punch some holes in the sides. Just for a bit of extra oxygen flow. Right, we've got some kindling that I've already pre-prepared because you don't need to see us do that. And I've got a few little larger bits to put in. So like anything, I need to get a decent burn and get a decent ember coal then as well. So that's it fully heated up, and let's get the bannock on because I'm hungry. Mess-free bannock. That is almost done. As you can see, it's incredibly hot, but it's cooked all the way through. So there you have it, coffee can hobo stove in the woods with bannock bread. I don't even need to talk to you right now. And there you have it. That was a success. Hobo stove with a coffee can in the woods making bannock bread. Bobby's clearly just having a sniff around. And if you like anything that we do here at Northern Limits Bushcraft and Survival, by all means please check our Etsy page out for our products. Etsy.com/Northern Limits BCS. And don't forget to check out the website www.northernlimitsbushcraftandsurvival.com, and I'll see you next time.